Hi there, students. To trounce. Okay, a verb. Let's see. We use, certainly in British English nowadays, we use to trounce, meaning to defeat somebody in a competition by a very large amount. Okay, so my team was trounced 6-0 yesterday, and everybody's rather depressed. My team was thrashed 6-0. Yeah, he trounced all of the other candidates in the election. Okay, so it's to defeat a competitor, to defeat the opposition by a very large margin. Yeah, I think if you watch the cricket, the British are being, the England team is being thrashed by the Australians. It's being trounced by the Australians. Notice you can also use to trounce, meaning to beat up, to flog, to lash. So he was walking down the street and he was attacked and trounced by some skinheads. Also, to beat with a stick. In the old days, teachers very often would trounce unruly pupils. Now, here we need to look at the formality, because this is a very important thing. To trounce, to beat heavily in a contest, this is really quite informal. I think I would give it 3.5 in formality. And for me, this is the main meaning. However, if you use trounce, meaning to beat up, to punish severely, you can also actually use it to rebuke, to tell off as well. This to me is much more literary, and I would probably give a 7 in formality for this meaning. So you've got a complete dichotomy of formalities for different meanings. Yeah. The bouncer trounced the unruly guest. Very formal. My team was trounced in the match last week. An informal one. They were beaten heavily. They were defeated by a large margin. Yeah. The councillor was trounced in the election. His new book was trounced by reviewers. Okay, so to defeat decisively, informal. To thrash, to beat up, to assault. Yeah, he was trounced by a group of skinheads. Quite formal. To criticize severely as well. Yeah, the play was trounced by reviewers. Yeah, it was severely criticized. So it's interesting to have these two different formalities in it. Yes, so I've done the formality. As to origin, that's also probably a difficult one. It probably is related to the French word trouncer, meaning to cut, to cut a piece from something. But more than that, I don't have. Maybe you have some ideas as well. Okay, so to trounce severely, the team was trounced, and then to beat up, to thrash, to assault, the teacher trounced the student with a cane. Sounds like Tom Brown's School Days. And yes, the mother trounced the child for its bad behavior, to scold with abusive language, again formal. Yeah, you could also actually have the noun a trouncing. So yeah, my team was given a trouncing. The man was given a trouncing by the skinheads, and he was given a trouncing in the press. Okay, enough. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trounce.